The Link Winter Camp is a fun and supportive space for linkers to learn, grow, and connect with like-minded peers. This year's camp, held in Benoni, Gauteng, was the first camp for the new linker cohort from the province.
Hi, my name is Benoni and I am a new linker from Noordwijk Secondary School, and she is
Hope from Anasha from Ponelopili Oracle Secondary School, and I am a new linker.
On day one of the winter camp, we arrived and we did our registration. We got the keys to our rooms. We waited for the other linkers to arrive, and when they arrived, they gave us the warmest welcome ever. They jumped for us, they hugged us to show that they were really happy to meet us.
We met Mr. Maps Maponyane and we had an icebreaker. We played a very fun game whereby we'll be finishing each other's sentences to make up stories.
This is Maps Maponyane and I am at the Link Winter Camp by Airlink, and I am an Airlink Ambassador, so it was only right for me to be here and get to welcome all these amazing young kids who are part of this incredible program. I've been fortunate to have met these young people and seen just how excited they are for the possibilities that can come with something like the Link Winter Camp, and just how much this program means to them and how much it can change their lives. Good luck to all the linkers, and can't wait to see where you take your next step.
After that, we had a short break, like for dinner. We ate dinner, then they set up a movie night for us. We watched this other movie called Hidden Figures. So that movie is based on like spaceships. So I feel like it sort of interlinks with the fact that they do aviation in this program.
The main focus about it was empowering black women and how they used to discriminate them just because of they're black and they're women. They had so much intellect. These three women were amazing. The movie was so inspiring.
Let's go, guys. Faster. I need.
Hey, it's a tough workout, eh? Yeah. Hey. My name is Lusa Mbongo and I'm a grade 12 learner here at the Link. And on our second day at the Link, on our first session, we learned about technical skills. We learned about the different types of sensors that a plane has and how they are important in making sure that there are no technical issues that actually occur in the plane as it travels from one place to another, and in making sure that the safety of the passengers on the plane is maintained. And we even got a visit from the Astrovo team, which is a robotics team situated in Cape Town. They showed us how they built their robot using different sensors and different machines and making sure that it moves properly and efficiently. It was fun to be able to play with their robot and see how it actually works and be able to ask questions and even touch the robot itself. That was very fun.
Hi guys, my name is Somila Teto. I am also a grade 12 linker. So in the second day and the third day, we did mental fitness, study skills, and university applications and bursaries. We learned more about different study skills like acronyms, using acronyms to study so that you can remember a particular chapter or subject. So in mental fitness, we learned about saboteurs, sages, and what happens during an emotional breakdown and what's happening and which saboteur or a sage is talking to you right at that moment.
Hi everyone, I am Zama January, first year doing mechatronics in Stellenbosch University. I'm a junior linker, and this winter camp we did a lot of soft skills to help us navigate the university life since it's a new thing within our lives. We did mindfulness, goal setting, and our vision boards because we have visions and we have dreams for our future. We also did team building, which was my highlight because we have a lot of team building, team activities that we do in university, and we require those skills to be patient and also to be able to work with different people. It also unites us as the alumni to keep us together and to keep us growing within the circle of the Link.
Being part of a program like the Link, and how do you navigate that pressure?
For me,
the pressure is not too bad, I guess. Being conscious about the decisions I make, about who I hang out with, about the things that I do outside of school even as well. Because all of those things contribute to my experience, also within the link, you know.
As part of the winter camp, linkers embark on educational excursions that bring classroom topics to life, offering real-world experiences that inspire ambition and deepen understanding.
Hi, my name is Mahuatla Gola and I'm a learner from Ivory Park Secondary School. On day 4, we went to the Airlink Ambassador. We were taught by Tony, whereby he taught us trade within the heavy aircraft division. We learned about mechanic, composite, avionics, and also the workshop within the aviation industry, which includes painting, trimming, and also wheel and brake.
Hi, my name is Lona Woshibase and I'm a student from Maputo Secondary School, and we also learned about how an engine works. We learned about the intake, compression, combustion, and the exhaust. And we saw how they take off the parts of an airplane to check and to inspect for safety, because that is what is important in aviation.
Hi, my name is Oravile Monakwena. I am a grade 11 linker from Polokwane, and during day 4 of the Link Winter Camp, we went to the ATNS Tower behind OR Tambo. We visited the Aviation Training Academy that they have there, and what we did there is we firstly had a few presentations on the air traffic services and engineering training, and then after that we were able to visit the simulations that they had there, what the pilots are able to do in training, and we were able to see also how the engineers they work with the systems of air traffic control and how they're able to fit them into the air traffic control towers.
Hi, my name is Kensani Mkaula. I am from Polokwane at Capricorn High School. And after the ATNS, we got to go to Lanseria, where we got on an air traffic control tower, where we got to see air traffic controllers at work and got to ask many different questions, got to enjoy a beautiful view. And after that, we got to go on an airport fire truck, where we got to explore many different features of a fire truck and how it operates. We got to try it as well. It was a very fun and fruitful session.
Hi guys, my name is Masham Nyati and I'm from Maputo Secondary School. Today we came to Wits University, a very fun place. We started at the Northwest Engineering section. We entered and saw like a cool jet fueled planes, rocket engines, and then we entered a dome where we were hit by a suction of air. It was pretty cool. I think I almost flew. And then after that we went to the digital dome, a very fun place. We saw a lot of planets, a lot of constellations, a lot of stars, and we learned more about like the potential for life in other parts of the universe.
My name is Mapula Gwangwa. I'm from Whole School Northland in Polokwane. We are at the Wits campus. On the main campus, we have 2 sides, the East and the West campus. Wits is a really wonderful school. The campus here is huge, but our tour guide made it simpler for us to understand and navigate our way. It was really fun, especially since I asked to come to Wits last year. This experience was really wonderful indeed.
There's hydrogen and helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Who wants to try and guess the last one?
The Milky Way galaxy.
Knowledge waits where mind explore. Behind the door, you've seen before. You have seen behind the door, you've seen before.
Somewhere around there.
Are you seeing?
The Link graduation is a special occasion where the Link community comes together to honor the outstanding accomplishments of Linker alumni who have recently completed their undergraduate qualifications.
Greetings, my name is Venus Tonga and I'll be the MC for tonight. Today we're here to celebrate our graduates.
Good evening, guys. I don't know what to say, but from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for everything, guys. Thank you to the Airlink coordinators.
I just want to say thank you so much for seeing my potential from the very first camp. And thank you for allowing me to have this opportunity to be the first graduate in my family. That means... It really means the most to me, and I just wanted to say thank you to Airlink.
I'd like to especially thank the Link program for the opportunities that have been awarded to us. It is because of this program that we are who we are today.
Thank you for pushing me along every step of the way. Thank you for being there. And thank you, Asanda, for those kind words. I'll take them to heart. And to the new linkers, I'd like to say to you guys, please take this opportunity and run with it. Please enjoy these camps and engage with everyone.
So yes, the world is noisy and the news sometimes is overwhelming and, let's be honest, frankly quite boring, but sometimes it's in that chaos where there's an opportunity for a lot of growth. And frankly, this is why I do what I do. So if by some chance you're still listening to me, the one thing I hope that you take from what I say is that you too find your kick. So once again, congratulations to our graduates.
To joy.